Hello, peoples, it's a wonderful day. I bet you'll have fun learning with Miss May. We might talk about the moon and the stars in the sky, why worms like dirt and why the desert is dry. Learning something every day can be fun, so let's get going, cause the song is done.
Hi everyone, I missed you. You might have noticed I wasn't here last week. My body gave me a big signal that it needed a rest, and I had to listen. And what was the signal? A terrible toothache. Oh, your body is like the coolest supercar in the world. It can run, jump, think, and learn amazing things. But even a supercar needs to go to the pit stop sometime. And if the engine light turns on, that was my toothache. You have to stop everything and fix it. You can't just keep driving. I had to go to the dentist, and I had to take a whole week to rest. That meant I couldn't make a video. Was I sad? Yes. Did I wish I could film? Yes. But I made a choice. My body comes first, because if my body isn't working, I can't make any videos later. A good rule is to check your body before you check your to-do list. Let's make our health checklist. Number 1, sleep. Is my battery charged? 2, food. I give my car good fuel? 3, feeling. Does anything hurt or feel sick? 4, doctor, dentist. Did I ask for help if I needed it? It's not being lazy, it's being smart. Taking care of yourself is the most important job you have. So if you feel that engine light turning on, like a tummy ache or a sore throat or a toothache, tell a grown-up, rest up, and know that your learning and playing can wait until you're feeling 100%. We'll be here when you're ready. Now, let me tell you about my pit stop. I kept trying to film, write scripts, and plan the next video, even though my tooth was screaming at me. I thought, oh, well, I'll just power through it. The video has to be ready. That was a silly idea. I was trying to drive my supercar body when the engine light, that terrible toothache, was flashing bright red. My body was saying, "Stop, we have a problem!" I finally had to talk to my dentist and tell them, this hurts too much and I can't think straight. And we decided together that the most important thing was to get the pain to stop and fix my teeth. That meant I had to go to the dentist. And then I needed a whole week, 7 days, to let my body heal up and feel strong again. Was it easy to step away and rest? No, I felt disappointed. I thought, oh no, my channel will fall behind. But I kept reminding myself that if I don't take care of my body now, I won't be able to be here to make videos later. So I made the smart choice. I put the camera down, I drank warm tea, and I rested. I healed. And guess what? My channel is still here, and so am I. And now I can teach you this super important lesson. This lesson is simple, but very important. Taking care of your body is the most important job that you have. Let's make sure you know how to take a pit stop. The lesson is simple. So before you start playing or working on anything, let's go through the quick health first checklist. If you can check off all 4, you're ready to go. 1, the battery check. Did you charge your battery? Did you get enough sleep last night? Sleep is when your brain cleans up and organizes all your new learning, and your body fixes its tiny scrapes and bumps. And if you wake up and you feel cranky or dizzy, your battery might still be charging. The pit stop move? Tell a grown-up and maybe take a quiet rest or a short nap. Number 2, the fuel check. Number 2, did I use good fuel? Your supercar body runs best on good fuel. Water, fruits, vegetables, and healthy foods. Did you drink enough water? Did you skip breakfast? If your tummy is rumbling or your mouth is dry, your car is running on empty. The pit stop move? Drink a big glass of water and eat a quick healthy snack. Uh-oh. Lesson 3, the sensor check. Is anything hurting? Listen to the pain. This is the most important one. If you have a headache or a sore throat or a tummy ache or a toothache like I did, that's your body's red warning light. That signal means you must stop. The pit stop move? Don't ignore the pain. Stop playing. Go tell a grown-up right away. They can help you figure out what your body needs. Number 4, the maintenance check. Number 4, did I get my checkups? Maintenance means taking care of something before it breaks. Think about your supercar again. Even if it drives perfectly today, you still take it to the mechanic for a checkup. And they look at the tires, they change the oil, make sure everything is working great. Going to the dentist or the doctor is the same thing. They look at your teeth to find a tiny cavity before it turns into a big toothache. They check your height and listen to your heart to make sure everything is growing and working perfectly. Keeps you strong and finds tiny problems before they turn into big ones. I did not treat my supercar body very well and didn't go to the dentist for a long time. And if I had, I would not have had a toothache probably. So remember, next time you have a big to-do list or a fun game to play, make sure you check your body first. Health always comes first. That's the big lesson I learned when my teeth made me take an unexpected break. It's okay to pause, and it's okay to rest, and it's okay to say I need a pit stop. Taking care of yourself is not being lazy. It's being a super prepared superstar. You are preparing your body and your mind to be strong enough to learn, play, and tackle all the fun challenges that come next. Well, thank you for letting me share my story with you. I'm all healed up, recharged, and excited for our next video adventure. And remember to check your battery, check your fuel, and check your sensors. Health comes first. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure.